Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot CRM to create quotes with PandaDoc, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot CRM to create quotes with PandaDoc, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Integrations. Click on Connected Apps to view the list of currently integrated applications. Locate PandaDoc in the list and click on it. If PandaDoc is not already connected, you will need to click the Connect App button. Next, you will be redirected to the PandaDoc login page. Enter your PandaDoc credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you may be prompted to authorize access for HubSpot. Review the permissions requested and click Allow to grant access. After authorization, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. Now that the integration is established, go to your HubSpot dashboard. Create a new quote by navigating to the Sales section from the main menu. Select Quotes from the drop-down list and click on Create Quote. Fill out the necessary details for your quote, including customer information. Look for the option to send or manage quotes with PandaDoc within the quote creation interface. Click on the PandaDoc button to launch the document builder. Customize your quote as needed within the PandaDoc interface. Once you've finalized your quote, you can send it directly to your client from PandaDoc. Check back in HubSpot to view the status of your sent quote. Remember, any updates made in PandaDoc will sync with your HubSpot CRM. Keep track of the analytics and engagement metrics provided by PandaDoc for improved follow-up. With these steps, your HubSpot CRM is now successfully authorized to create quotes using PandaDoc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.